Hi guys, and welcome back. I'm Simone, and I'll be showing you how to style the single post template in WordPress. I'll show you how to style the top of the page with categories and metadata. I'll show you how to style the single post content with a sidebar, and then how to style the post navigation. For my videos, I'll be working with the template sticky post from the theme unit test data that Nadia showed you how to install earlier. So if you have that ready, let's get started. Before we begin, I'd like to give you an overview of what files we're going to use. Just so you have them open in your code editor, and then you can follow along, and I'll keep you updated when we're changing the working files. So for this, I'm going to have content.php open and template text.php. So what we're going to do in this video is that we're going to change the posted it uncategorized, and I like to have it on top of the headline. Now there's nothing wrong with what it is, but I think it's nice to give you an overview of how you can customize and change all depending on how you want your theme to be. So we're going to go into our code editor, and at first I'd like to give you an overview in content.php because it's important to know that this is actually how our content is created. It's a bunch of PHP functions that is from all different files, and then it's all created into the post that we want. Now the posted in categories function is actually the one here you see called uCodeGirl entry footer, and this function is in the template text.php. If you go in here, you can see there's a bunch of different things, but around line 54, you'll see the function uCodeGirl entry footer. So what we're going to do here is that we're going to steal this, because what it actually says is that if the type is the post, then it's going to show the categories. So we're just going to steal here from line 61 to 65 and copy. What we're going to do is that we're actually going to create a new function, and this is because this function in itself is for both categories and tags, and we only want the categories. So if you go down around here, we create a new function. Oh, I can't spell function, and we're going to call it uCodeGirl category list. Oh, list here, make it a function. Just going to open it, and you're going to paste in what you just copied. And you can see you just need to close it here. And that should be enough if you're trying to save. Now, we made the function, we still need to display it somewhere. So if you just copy the function name here and go back to content.php, you place the function where you want the categories to show. As I told you, I want them to be above the headline of the post. So this is the entry header. I'm just gonna post it. So I'm just going to post it right here. Of course, it needs to be in PHP tags, otherwise it won't show. And there, and close it. Save everything and go into your browser and your website. If you give it an update, you can now see that you have them up here. Now, of course, you don't want them both places. So if you go back to template tags and go up to where I found the original one here, and just say delete for a change, and also going to delete this and clean up so everything looks nice. Save, and just for good matter, delete the category so you're aware when you go back into your code that is only the text. Website update, and there you have it. It no longer has the category on here, but it has the categories on top.